honestly speaking, the type of what's it called? Betrayal ti Dorcas tó ti fojú rí lórí social media. Although if she decides today that she wants to quit, I swear to God, I will be like, well, my dear, you've had enough. Honestly speaking. The type of betrayal. And I don't know where she got that, that zeal. Like, well, things are meant to happen, you understand? And things cannot break them down, you understand? I watched a show that she did concerning her manager, and I felt like, okay, ilé ayé tún nìyẹn. Àwọn tí yàn ṣe fún, tó jẹ́ pé most of them, what they are thinking about is what they are saying behind your back. Tó ń sanwó fún ọ. And one thing about Nigerians is that is the entitlement mentality for me. They feel so entitled to your money. They feel like, tí ṣètò fún wọn yẹ kó máa ṣe jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ fún wọn. They feel like, this, they deserve it. Even if they don't work or do shit, they deserve it. She explained some things about, being in the same house that the girl really dealt with her, and she cannot even, who are you going to confide in if not your manager? You understand? She felt like this is the first time she's coming out like, the biggest betrayal, don't Rio, making it was the manager. That Folake girl. And I keep saying it like, this is what people are talking about. When you talk about she's not going to do that Christmas party anymore, I swear to God, this is what you guys are talking about. You literally don't want her to do anything anymore, right? And now she's deciding that, okay, I'm going to take a step back. But the marketing come by Dorcas. Dorcas is not somebody that used to quit easily like that. Too. She can decide tomorrow, go yakini yala jayin fe baba yayin ya mo fe party. And at the same time, if she decides, she's the person at this point, whatever decision she makes, you understand, I'll be like, well, do whatever works for you, do whatever is best for you. That's just it. And then I look at the haters post. Ṣé mo pa ayé àwọn yẹn tẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́ náà? Wọ́n ní wọn ò bí dáṣẹ́ ìyálàyà yín dáwó sí lápò ni. Àbí ewó lẹ́yìn rí gbé ṣe nínú ayé tí ẹni ẹ̀wọ̀n òbí dá kó stop Christmas party. Àtẹ̀yẹ pé ẹ̀yin tẹ̀tì ẹ̀ rí ṣe. Ọ̀gá yín kọ́ ó tún ti dóko lọ. Bó ṣe ń dóko tó kí ló rí ṣe. Tá bá sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí ọ̀rọ̀ tiwa ló máa dùn yín. Bọ̀ ọ̀gá yín kọ́. Ibo lọ̀gá yín tún wà sí. Ó tún ti ń dalé onílé rú. Ó tún ti ń já ó tún ń fòbò jagun káàkiri. At the end of the day, òròfó ni òfó ló tún máa mú bọ̀. So one thing is like ẹgbà fọ́gà yín. It's because I feed some certain people. In fact, she's like, let me tell you, she's like your group leader, no group here, because of course your guy doesn't have content anymore. So you have to abuse Dorcas to stay relevant. It's obvious. I'm not shading. I'm just saying the truth. Everybody will agree with this, that if you don't abuse Dorcas, you cannot go back, you cannot go front. So of course, your guy no get content, you no get content. She's the content, then create the jojumo. That is just it. She's the content, then create the jojumo. So it means okay, Dorcas was open party, and she disappoint here by saying that you guys want to do another Christmas party. Instead, okay, to bed. You've seen now done a lot of party, and she mentioned something concerning this. Like if she feels she's not safe, where you are trying to make people happy, my dear, pick yourself or anytime, any day. The things that Dorcas is doing, I can't do it. Not because even if I get the money, just few people, that is just it. And out of the blessings of God, she still pick and give out. Anything, hate so if she decide that don't battle party and she doesn't feel safe, because you remember the last thing that happened the last time. I mean, like, Dorcas is so surrounded by a lot of enemies. If you look at the pattern, you understand, like enemies, let's call it frenemies, right? If you look at the pattern very well, you understand that okay, I want to these guys are sorry lower. But at the end of the day, no. At the end, walking pay low. You understand? Go see these guys are there. There's something about God's protection. That is just one thing. So many people come, èèyàn tó gbé rìkọ̀dí yẹn síta, èèyàn tó gbé owó ẹ̀ síta, èèyàn tó ṣe kinní kan. At the end of the day, it still doesn't stop the blessing of God. Àwọn kankan wà, pattern kankan wà tó yẹ kẹ́ máa wò pé what now happen even after ìgbà tẹ́ ti gbìmọ̀ pọ̀. Wọ́n ń gbìmọ̀ lórí Dorcas omi ò ní parọ́ fún yín. A lot of people ń gbìmọ̀ lórí ẹ̀ o. Yes, àfi tá a bá fẹ́ tọrọ wa pé a máa sọ pé àmọ́ pé àwọn èèyàn wọ́n ń gbìmọ̀ lórí Dorcas but ṣe mọ̀ Ọlọ́run kàn ń da ìmọ̀ wọn rú ni wípé ó ń sọ kinní kan pé òun ò ní anything lọ́wọ́ anybody pé tó nǹkan bá wà lọ́wọ́ yẹn kó síta tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá kí n ṣọmọ àlè. And for her to have that confidence to be like, I don't have anything on anybody. Only social media yìí làwọn àtọ́tí parọ́ fún àpò lo 21 days ní Kùjẹ́ àṣẹ ọmọ yẹn ò tiẹ̀ fẹsẹ̀ kan Kùjẹ́. So you should know that the planning is mo sọ kinní kan Ọlọ́run dáríjì mi o. Mo ní wọ́n lè mọ̀ ọmọ gan lọ pa ìyá àbèjì torí pé wọ́n fẹ́ fi dáràn sí Dorcas lọ́rùn. I'm just thinking outside the box. It's possible. Wọ́n lè mọ̀ ọmọ lọ pa ìyá àbèjì láti pé torí pé kí ni torí this is the obsession is too real, it's too, and they came to social media to lie until when they are dropping evidence of her taking care with full stuff tó kúnnú àpò rice tó kún ṣe mọ àpò rice yẹn náà ru oúnjẹ sí tó ń gbé fún woman. And they came to social media to lie to us that she wasn't feeding her, she wasn't giving her anything, she wasn't doing anything at all. And what I noticed is that, okay, the family of Iyabeji, they did a lot by checking it. They stand by Dorcas. Why? It's not, see, they know the truth. But you know, there are other foundation. The other foundation that cannot foundation for their life. But they claim they have foundation that is not working. So they have to manipulate the mother of the girl and, come back sorry, because that's the only way. That is the only way they can do things. You understand? So, a lot of things, if you look at it very well, a lot of things is just going on behind the closed door. Only most of the amount of people ganging to bring this lady down alone. Sometimes it shocked me, like, how are you thriving? Alone, Nikoni. Àìjẹ́bẹ́ tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹlòmíì gan ò lè face quarter nǹkan tí Dorcas face àti lulẹ̀ àti balẹ̀. But if you look at it very well, she always come out, she conquer everything, and I swear to God, mo ní past few days pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn mo wò pé báwo lọmọdé yìí ṣe fẹ́ survive kìíní èmi gan ara nǹkan tí mo fi dúró nìyẹn pé no something is just not right. But at the end of the day Ọlọ́run kan ṣọmọ Ọlọ́run máa jẹ́wọ́ rẹ̀ fún wípé ìwọ má worry sẹ̀ ìwọ má àní kó má worry sẹ̀. And people ṣọmọ if people cannot understand that, how is this girl not falling? It's always bothered them, like, it's always bothered them. She's fighting a lot of battle. But you will not even know. That is it. You will not even you will not even know. She's not a person that will come outside and cry today and or she will not even talk about it. And she will mask it with smile like nothing is happening. God is fighting for me. I swear. And yeah, I need to study that from her. Because ẹlòmíì pin lásán ló máa gun wáyé gbogbo àwọn tó ń ṣe show tó ń ṣe kinní kan fún Dorcas wọn ò lè abẹ́rẹ́ lásán ni kẹ́ ẹ fi gún wọn ẹ̀rí wọ́n ṣe máa fẹ́ fún síta. That is just it. So everybody has a thing. If she won't ìgbà tí Láyọ̀ lọ sí party yẹn, I feel a kind of way, like, because mo máa ń sọ kinní kan fáwọn èèyàn pé tí ikú nílé ò bá pa ni tòde ò lè rí nípa bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. You're surrounded by a lot of people that they are majorly enemies. I swear. Èèyàn kan nù bẹ̀ yẹn ló máa taṣẹ́ yẹn fún Láyọ̀. That is it. Ṣé bọ̀ àwọn kankan wà tó jẹ́ pé you cannot be 100% protective. But Láyọ̀ enter that party ó kì í sọ pé ó fi fídíò sí ara èèyàn àbí kó lo spy glass yẹn. Ó fún yàn kan ní spy glass. So there are a lot of people. It's an insider job. Ní nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní party Christmas party Dorcas ń gbà yẹn. It's an insider job. And if that was perfectly executed like that, and they were so close to her, they were, Eniye was so really, really close to her, right in her face like this. You understand? So it says a lot of things. If she feels like she's not safe among you people, and ara Nigeria wọ́n ló gbàbọ̀dé jù because fún wọn ní chicken change wọ́n máa taṣẹ́ ẹ̀ ni ìyá ni, poverty ni. So if this woman is literally doing a lot for people, and at the same time, these are the people that, you know, tó tún lọ ń gbàbọ̀dè lẹ́yìn torí nǹkan tó máa jẹ. I swear to God, you have all the right to just stop pé abẹ́ ṣe èrè ṣé mo jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yín lówó ni. Ọlọ́run ò ní bínú. I swear. Ọlọ́run ò ní bínú. It's not easy to give people money now. It's not easy to give people money. Throwing parties for people, feeding them, making them gifts and all that. You understand? Blogger mélòó ló ń ṣe? Yes. Ó ní mo máa ń sọ pé àwọn nǹkan tó ń ṣe tó ń dáyà dé foundation helping people mo ní inú ọdún tá a wà àti how many times lè kà countless time tó ti sọ pé ó yá o drop your account if you ṣe kinní kan we want to ṣe kinní kan ṣé ó jọ ọmọ Tinubu ni àbójọ ọmọ kinní kan Elon Musk that she's just thinking about people. That is just it. Any opportunity she has, she used the avenue to help people. So if she come out to say she's not doing something because she doesn't feel safe, safety number one, my dear, you have all the rights. And àwọn wèrè tó ń bú ẹ pé wọn ò tó bẹ́ẹ̀ láṣẹ ó yá ṣe èlò lẹ dá sínú foundation náà àbí èlò mélòó gan lẹ ṣe fún àwọn tó ti ń tẹ̀lé yín látọdún gbọ́n ọ̀gá yín tó tún ní access sí àwọn ọba ṣèbó bóòlù lọ ń dó ń bẹ̀ kí ló fi ránṣẹ́. That is just it. So ẹ̀yin kọ́ ló ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ò gba ẹnu yín láti sọ fún pé kò tó bẹ́ẹ̀ láti má ṣe pàtí ó jẹ́ àrùn yín lówó ni. It's a choice. Barely now. You cannot be doing things for people. And here comes the people saying that, Dorcas, shaking. This is her trying to, table everything down and look for àwọn orí kan wà kò lọ́pẹ́. Àwọn people ẹ̀ wá àwọn ọmọrí. Ó yá gbégi lélẹ̀ yẹn ṣí èrè. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ó kan wà àwọn ọmọrí. So you know that Laya executed that one that time. And she was even bragging that if Dorcas tries again, she's going to come again, she's going to come there, she's going to shake in it on there. You understand that kind of thing? And that is just it. If your safety is compromised, my dear, do everything to keep yourself safe. So if anything happened to your enemy today, I want to burúkú àwọn ló máa kọ́kọ́ fi ẹ́ ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ o bẹ́ẹ̀ ni that is it àwọn ló máa kọ́kọ́ fi ẹ́ ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́. So anything that has to do with your decision about in fact if you stop helping people today ọlọ́ngàn mi ni be like deserve ẹ ṣe mọ̀ pé Naija jẹ́ ọkàn tó jẹ́ pé èèyàn tó bá help wọn òun ni enemy wọn èèyàn tó bá ti ń ṣoore fún Naija ìwọ lọ̀tá wọn. You have some people that have entitlement mentality pé o jẹ̀ràn wọn lówó o gbọ́dọ̀ máa ṣe fún wọn. You have some people tó jẹ́ pé yẹn ṣé òun nìkan ni they will be smiling to you like this and they hate your guts behind the closed door. Oríṣiríṣi èèyàn ló wà níbẹ̀ yẹn. Àwọn kan wà tó jẹ́ pé okay nǹkan tó fẹ́ jẹ àwọn kan wà tó jẹ́ pé spy ni wọ́n in disguise and they will be smiling to you. I mean if you see Dorcas and what the things that has happened to her you will understand what they call aboríyìn burú ni people like Ọlọ́run but nevertheless Ọlọ́run máa ń jẹ́wọ́ ara ẹ̀ fọmọbìnrin yẹn that is the and our fans keep staying loyal to her. So I think that is what used to kì í ṣe pé ẹ̀jẹ̀ ló ń ràn ọ́nù bọ́dí ẹ̀ náà ẹ̀jẹ̀ ló ń ràn ọ́nù bọ́dí ẹ̀. I think that's what used to make her feel safe because she knows she has God, but at the same time my dear protect yourself. Wait, làwọn people that is just it. Meet it for them or remove it from them. If she has to come to that party organized for you people and one of you have to gbàbọ̀dè for her ó lọ fàáfàá o ní tìjú o no ní tìjú. No, but it wasn't Layo that came. Layo sent somebody and she's an Odo nation. The person is an Odo, very close ally to Dorcas because the person was literally in her face like this. So it was an Odo nation that did that thing that time. Yes, that is the àwọn tọmọdé yìí tó ń ṣàánú fún àwọn ló tún fẹ́ gbàbọ̀dè fún. So ó máa ń fọ́nì sí mi pé kìíní àwọn tí ò tún wá lè ṣe nǹkan kan tó jẹ́ pé bọ́ ṣe wà yẹn òfo foundation ló yẹ kòròfo foundation wọ́n ti dóko tán kò sí nǹkan kan tó kù mọ́ wọ́n tún ti lé wọ́n bí tán ti ń dóko. àwọn yẹn ló wá ń jáde tán sọ pé ọ̀rọ̀ wà lẹ́nu ẹ lọ́rọ̀ Dorcas lẹ́nu láti jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin gan tiẹ̀ ń ṣe kan èwo lẹ rí ṣe ṣe bá tẹ̀ rí Dorcas ó ṣìṣe 1 or 2 èwo lẹ́yìn ṣe ẹ mú ilé ìtẹ̀yìn ṣe wá tó bá mọ̀ pé fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ èèyàn á jẹ́ pé ó tẹ̀ ti ṣe more than the person èwo lẹ́yìn rí ṣe ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ gbádùn. So that's what I have to say concerning this. So my dear, it's your decision, it's your life, it's your life. That's just it. Má wojú ṣe má wojú anybody yẹn tó bá fẹ́ kú kó èèyàn tó bá máa kú ló máa kú. So that's all I have to say.